Tasi!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the fabulous, festive letter F. Let's say it together. F, F, F. Meet Fiona the fox. She's fast, friendly, and loves throwing forest festivals. She lives in a flower-covered den near Firefly Falls. One fine morning, Fiona had a fantastic idea. I'll host a forest festival with food, fun, and friends. She hung flags, fluffed pillows, and played her flute to invite everyone.
Flip the pancakes, watch them fly. Kites are dancing in the sky. Paint with colors bright and true. Friends make festivals fun for you. Flip the pancakes, watch them fly. Kites are dancing in the sky. Paint with colors bright and true. Friends make festivals fun for you.
Then came the forest feast, full of fruit, fudge, and fizzy lemonade. Everyone danced and sang under the stars. A banner sparkled. F is for Fox, Festival, and Friendship. What a fantastic forest festival! Fiona the Fox showed us how fun the letter F can be. Can you think of more F words? Let's keep exploring.